Back here in Orlando, Florida. There's the Volkswagen bus. This is the view right outside the bathroom window. Can't really see it because it's under a cover. I'm going to head up to Stratton Motorsports right now in the Montana farm truck. Oh yeah, Pop's truck. Kitty, hey. I'm gonna go start up the truck.
Hey, Kit Kat. Come here, Kit Kat. Come here. Come here, Kit Kat. Come here.
We're in the Dodge Cummins 12-valve diesel dually. I got a bunch of stuff going on today. I got the Volkswagen bus, the 1972, dug out from its hole that it was in. Got it rolling, got rims and tires put on it, and it's looking great. Oh, it's so cute. Hold on, let me show you this. Look at that little thing over there. It's so cute. Oh my God, I love it. It's outstanding. I can't wait to get this thing on the road. I have concocted a crazy plan. We're going to be getting this Volkswagen bus up to Missouri. I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm just going to drive it there myself. Shipping on it was just too much money right now, and the shipper I usually use is out of commission right now. So I'm going to do it myself. Me and the Dodge Cummins 12-valve diesel, the 1972 camper bus, Westfalia bus, named Bert. Bert's getting a new heart put in, a heart transplant. So right now I got to run up to the Volkswagen shop, grab a couple pieces of sheet metal that I do need for this. A windshield piece across the bottom of the windshield, and a new track slider system for the sliding door. I got to also fix a couple of the wheel studs on there. Jason at Stratton Motorsports has a die so that I can like re-thread the wheel a little bit. I should be able to at least get them working good enough to get a bolt on there just to get me up to Missouri. That's all they're gonna be used for, is just to get to Missouri. Then they'll all be replaced most likely. So yeah, that's that. I'm heading up to Stratton Motorsports right now to get a couple things. Then I gotta get packed so I can go to Missouri the very next day. 7 a.m. appointment at U-Haul for the car dolly that I'm gonna tow the Volkswagen with. I just made it up here to Stratton Motorsports, the place where dreams are built. Here it is. This is the 1972 Westfalia camper bus. I just put some new shoes on them. This is Bert, everybody. This is the bus Bert. It's kind of hard to see, but here, these stickers were all over it. It says, "I'm 1 in a million." There's another one back here on the back. And another one over here on this side. I'm 1 in a million. And you might be wondering how Bert got its name. Bert got its name because of this. This is the driver's side door. His name is Bert. Yeah, buddy, Bert the bus. I'm heading to Missouri tomorrow. I couldn't find a good deal on shipping this car, so I'm just gonna do it myself. I'm gonna take the 12-valve Cummins truck with the 72 Volkswagen bus behind it on a car dolly. I'm getting everything all packed up for this road trip to Missouri. 1,000 miles and back in 2 days. It's gonna be fun. I gotta get this Volkswagen up to Missouri to start the Subaru swap on it. Yeah, gotta get this thing going. And you can see out there the Volkswagen's all loaded up on the Dodge. Just packing my bags, getting the last few things together before I leave. I'm all loaded up, got the 72 Westfalia camper bus on the car dolly, heading to Missouri to drop it off and get a Subaru swap. That's the Cummins 12-valve dually, the Montana farm truck. Yep, we're all ready to go. Got 1,000 miles ahead of me in about 15 hours driving. Woohoo!
Question.
Yes.
Did you ever actually look under the rear end at so that everything's hooked up? Like, you
Yeah.
know, axle and everything?
Yeah, everything's hooked up. I mean, it's
I mean, it could be just sitting on top of that axle.
what do you mean? It's got yeah, everything's there.
Well, yeah, that's, I mean, it's good to look at least one time.
Mm-hmm. Transmission's in there. It's got the CV axles.
You're good.
The you know, torsion bar, whatever, suspension's hooked up. Yeah, it looks good. It'll do just fine. It'll do just fine. All right, man. Well, I'm out of here.
Okay, Paul.
See you later.
All right.
Give me directions to Stratton Motorsports. I'm on the road. I've just made it out of Orlando, heading to Union, Missouri right now. As you can see, I've got the 72 bus behind me. Bert is on a car dolly behind the 12-valve Cummins diesel. Just trying to get out of Florida now. That's the next big goal.